Black holes. Cosmic destroyers or universe creators? Would you dare cross the boundary of a black hole? What would happen if you were pulled into one? Would it mark the end? Or could it be a gateway to another world? A black hole, where light cannot escape, time stands still, and all the laws of physics as we know them break down. It is not only one of the greatest mysteries of the universe but also a challenge to human intellect. Stephen Hawking once said, "Black holes are not the eternal prisons we once thought. They could lead to another universe." Are you ready to step into this darkness with me to uncover the immense power and secrets of black holes? Stay tuned, because the journey is just beginning. What is a black hole? A black hole may sound like a concept out of science fiction. But it is a real entity in the universe, a place where human imagination is pushed to its absolute limits. A black hole is defined as a region of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. But what's even more fascinating isn't just how it devours light, but also how it forms and exists in the cosmos. When a massive star exhausts its fuel, it can no longer counteract the force of gravity. The result is a collapse into itself, creating a point of infinite density known as a singularity. Surrounding this singularity is a boundary called the event horizon. This is the point of no return. Anything crossing it can never come back. Akin to a river flowing endlessly into oblivion. One of the most notable examples is Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole at the center of our Milky Way galaxy. It is over 4 million times the mass of our Sun, yet its size is only equivalent to a small orbit around Earth. Imagine an object so compact with such unimaginable gravitational power. Sagittarius A has been described as the dark heart of our galaxy, silently orchestrating the movements of billions of stars around it. Stephen Hawking, one of the greatest physicists of the 20th century, once remarked, "Black holes are not the eternal traps we thought." He introduced the idea that black holes could emit a form of radiation, now called Hawking radiation. This challenged the notion that black holes only consume and never give back. Beyond physics, black holes have also appeared as symbols in literature and philosophy. Writer Italo Calvino once wrote, "Imagine a place devoid of light, where time ceases to flow, and you'll touch upon the concept of a black hole." This profound mystery has made black holes one of the universe's most enduring symbols, not only as traps but also as windows to unknown secrets. The power of black holes. Black holes have long been likened to colossal destroyers of the cosmos. But that description barely scratches the surface of their true power. What we know about black holes goes beyond their ability to consume everything around them. They also reveal how they shape, create, and perhaps hold the keys to understanding the nature of spacetime itself. Imagine a region of space where light, matter, and even time are stretched, twisted, and ultimately consumed. This is the immense gravitational force of a black hole. Physicists explain that black holes form when a massive star depletes its fuel and collapses under its own gravity. The result is a concentration of mass in an incredibly small region, creating a gravitational pull so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. One fascinating phenomenon as matter approaches a black hole is called spaghettification, a term that describes how objects are stretched into long, thin strands like spaghetti due to the intense gravitational forces. If you were an astronaut unlucky enough to approach a black hole, your body would be stretched to the point where even your atoms would align in a straight line before disappearing forever into the darkness. The power of black holes doesn't just affect matter, it also bends light and time. As light passes near a black hole, it cannot travel in a straight line. Instead, it bends, creating an effect known as gravitational lensing. Astronomers have used this effect to detect and study black holes, even though they cannot be directly observed. Time, under the influence of a black hole, also becomes relative. Einstein's theory of relativity explains that as you approach the event horizon, time slows down relative to an observer far away. This concept has inspired countless science fiction stories, including the movie Interstellar, where astronauts experience time dilation due to the immense gravitational pull of a supermassive black hole. While black holes are often seen as destroyers, they also play a creative role in the universe. At the centers of most galaxies, including our Milky Way, lie supermassive black holes. These black holes not only consume matter but also release enormous amounts of energy in the form of jets of matter and light. These energy bursts can trigger the formation of new stars in nearby regions of space. For instance, Sagittarius A*, the supermassive black hole at the heart of the Milky Way, is not just a monster devourer, but also a gravitational anchor, ensuring the stable rotation of stars within the galaxy. This demonstrates that black holes contribute to cosmic order, not just chaos. A groundbreaking moment in black hole research came in 2019 when the Event Horizon Telescope captured the first ever image of a black hole. The image revealed a glowing orange-red ring surrounding an absolute dark void, symbolizing both the power and mystery of black holes. Physicist John Wheeler once described black holes as cosmic vacuum cleaners. But the 2019 image reminded humanity that they are also magnificent cosmic machines. Philosophical mysteries and the future of black hole exploration. Beyond their physical might, black holes pose profound philosophical questions. One of the greatest mysteries is, what happens to information that falls into a black hole? According to the laws of physics, information can never truly be lost. But if an object, filled with data, is consumed by a black hole and disappears, where does that information go? Stephen Hawking proposed that information might be encoded on the surface of the event horizon, like a film reel of everything the black hole has ever consumed. However, this remains an unsolved mystery. There is also the tantalizing hypothesis that black holes are not the end, but gateways to other universes. Physicist Kip Thorne, whose work inspired the movie Interstellar, explored the idea that black holes could connect to white holes, the opposite phenomenon, where matter and energy are expelled instead of consumed, forming a tunnel through space-time called a wormhole. These ideas, while speculative, push the boundaries of what science might one day achieve. Philosophically, black holes symbolize the unknown, the boundary between knowledge and the unknowable. Friedrich Nietzsche once said, "If you gaze long into the abyss will gaze back into you." Black holes, with their mystery and peril, are the abyss of the cosmos. Black holes remind us of the humility we must have as a species. Despite our achievements in science, we remain curious and small in the face of the universe's great enigmas. So, what lies beyond the black hole? Another universe, an unimaginable future, or simply a vast nothingness? Theories of wormholes or connections to white holes are not just the stuff of science fiction but the dreams of humanity striving to transcend spacetime's barriers. But the bigger question is, if you had the chance to confront a black hole, what would you do? Would you dare to step through to uncover its secrets? Or would you step back, respecting its mystery? And could we one day harness the power of black holes to transform humanity's future? Every hypothesis and every answer opens a new door. What's certain is that black holes are not just symbols of destruction but also of hope, a reminder that limits only exist as long as we stop trying to surpass them. What do you think? Are black holes cosmic monsters, or gateways to wonders? Do you believe science will one day fully unravel their mysteries? Or will they remain forever beyond our reach? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love this topic, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Together, we'll continue our journey to explore the universe and seek answers to humanity's greatest mysteries. Remember, your ideas are not just words, they are lights that guide the way through the darkness of the unknown. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts. See you in the next adventure.